Hello, not much progress with my Bristol M.1C at the moment, but in lieu of that I thought I'd show you what I have done. A little bit of white glue. I've stuck the inside part in there, and there's a little crossbar thing there. I don't know why it's there, but it's supplied. And you've got all the there's a control quadrant in there on that side, and there's the small instrument panel on that side there. So if you can see, that's the 3 dials there. So what I do to paint those, you just get a bit of silver paint. In this case, the umbrella acrylic dropper bottle version. Squeeze a bit out and put some on the edge of the cocktail stick, like so. Tiny bit of paint. Can't see it even. It's there. Right, I can't see it. That's not like focus, but so we won't waste time trying to get it to focus. So I get the cocktail stick and gently put little blobs of silver on there to suggest where the glass of the dials might be. It's not going to show up very clearly anyway, because they're going to have the, there we are, a little bit of a silver dial going on. That's going to focus. So it's going to be somewhere down there. Got the wood brown behind, the wooden side and the grey inside. But that's the degree to which I'm progressing with the model. It's nearly warm enough to open the window and put some real glue on it. This is the interior of the cockpit itself, which will balance. You've got the control column, there we are, if I actually show it on screen, control column and the rudder bar, which will go in there somehow. Very small parts, tweezer job this is, very tweezer heavy kit, but it's part of the fun of the challenge, isn't it? So there we are, that's the progress of what it is, of the Bristol M1 for anybody following that kit. Bye for now, ta-da.